I'm Samantha,
I'm Jasmine.
and we're doing the Science I Can called What Do Plant Stems Do? I spelled it wrong. Okay, so the purpose of this experiment is to see what water does to plant stems when you color it, add food coloring to water, right? Yeah.
See how they absorb.
So the original, the original plan calls for just celery sticks, but we decided to do celery sticks, onions, potatoes, and carnations. So to see what the water does to all of them. Okay.
So what we've done with these, our cans, is we marked the milliliter amount. So we're starting with 500 milliliters, and as the days pass, we're going to see which plant absorbs the most water until the end.
We're doing this over 4 days.
4 days.
And then, so we already added those, so we don't waste all this time filling them up. So we have 500 milliliters. And then we're going to add the food coloring.
Now that we have all of our colors ready, we could go ahead and put.
I want to know what we're gonna think's gonna happen.
Oh,
first.
right. Our hypothesis.
We also did the measuring to see which stem, if they did absorb more than the others. So I think that the celery sticks are gonna absorb the most water, and I don't really think the potatoes going to show that much of a color change. What about you, Jasmine?
I also was thinking that the celery is going to change more of a color because of the fact that celery is already made up of a lot of water, so it's going to absorb more. But I'm kind of excited to see if the carnations change color.
That's gonna be pretty.
After a while.
I think the celery will absorb the most. I don't know if I already said that.
But we did it. We did.
Okay, so let's put them in.
Did you say variables?
Oh yeah, what are our variables, Jasmine?
So our variables,
What we're measuring
Mm-hmm.
is the amount of absorption that goes away, how much color change there is in each of the things. So, all right, let's go. So we'll measure how much it went up in just 1 second. That one's not really much. It's just a potato.
So I wonder how much the onions are going to absorb,
Since it's
or if
floating.
it's going to stay white on the top that's not covered in water.
Or maybe since it absorbs water anyway, it'll just account for that. True. Okay, so we're back 4 days later, and I don't know, it kind of seemed a little inconclusive. The carnations died a little bit here, no color came up, and the celery looks like the leaves died, but these ones are colored. We'll show a close up in a second. And the water levels went down, so that's a plus. So we can get a close up and cut. This is a regular onion that wasn't soaked, so I'll cut it open so we can show a comparison. I don't know how to cut stuff. So that's what it should look like. Oh, looks the same.
Yeah.
So the onion doesn't do anything. Then we have a regular white potato, or I guess it's yellow on the inside.
potatoes and onions. Disappointment.
If you get close up here, you can see the blue of the leaves where the water came in, but this one like died, but you can still see blue there. And you can see on this one the green started coming.
Oh, and right up here.
Oh yeah, and at the top, here's some blue too. You want to try to cut it open, see if we can see anything?
Yeah.
Nothing on the inside, that's
No.
weird. Just gonna mutilate it. It's not. So, it's cool. We're back in there.
And then the
And the
carnations
carnations died.
just.
I don't know
Wilted.
if the purple turned it brown or if they just died. The bottoms are purple.
Oh, yeah.
Those are also soaked in water.
So if we did this experiment again, we'd change some things. We'd probably put them all closer outside into the sun.
Because they were just in my garage. Probably wasn't that smart, but it was convenient. We'd also cut the carnations more, so they would be able to get more water faster, I guess. Because I did have cut them originally, but I guess it wasn't enough for 5 better carnations.
Thank you for
Ta-da!
watching.